How to accept Temu invitation on computer. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can accept Temu invitation on computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up the invitation link. Use the link shared by your inviter, which will typically redirect you to Temu's website. So once you land on Temu's website, you have to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, log in. Or if you're new, you have to create an account by entering your email address or your phone number and then set a password and complete the sign up process. Now, during the sign up process, you will have a field labeled as referral code or invitation code. So you have to enter the code provided by your inviter. Once logged in, confirm the invitation by clicking the Accept Invitation button on the confirmation page or on the confirmation prompt. Once you have accepted the invitation, you may receive a bonus like discounts, free shipping or rewards depending upon the invitation's term. And your inviter will also get certain rewards and discounts on Temu. So that's the way to use Temu invitation on your computer, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.